teaching you how to make these super simple friendship bracelets. I hope you enjoy. So you're gonna need a wheel. I'm gonna use this wheel, but I'm gonna show you how to make your own. So you're gonna take on a piece of cardboard. I'm just because I'm showing you, I'm just gonna use a sticky note, and then you're gonna put something round that is an appropriate size. You can use a cup. I'm using a speaker because it's right here. And then you're going to take a pen and trace around your circular object. And you're going to draw a circle on the inside and then 8 lines so it looks like this. Okay, I drew that before. Oh, that's why it was fast. Next, you're going to need thread. Oh, and use cardboard for this because you need it to hold up. Not necessarily this one. You're going to need 7 strands. So most craft kits, I recommend you use it from one arm to the other arm. That's too much thread. I normally do it from here, from this arm to my shoulder. But to start, I would recommend doing it from one hand to your other shoulder. So you're going to cut out, I'm going to use these 2 colors. Southern House. I'm not Southern House, I'm Ravenclaw, but I didn't want to take the time to figure out which of my threads are the Raven House colors right now. So then you're going to cut out your strands so that they are the appropriate length for what you want. I will cut you. You have your 7 threads cut out of any amount of any colors that you want. They can be all the same color, they can be all different colors. I will be showing you how to make them like certain ways later. So once you do it, you're going to fold it in half like this, and then you're going to twist it so it's like, so there's an extra loop thing, and then you're going to pull your other loop through your first loop through the second loop, and then you're going to tug it towards your first loop, your second loop towards the first loop, and then you have this. Some people, they have you like tie it so that this is tieable. I like this because you can just hook it on. That's my opinion. So after you have done that, you're going to place it on your thing, your wheel, and I will show you how different ways will look certain ways. So I'm going to put this on, and I switched cameras. Whoa. I'm so talented. So once you have it, you should have 1 extra hole. You can actually, so I can actually see where I fold it, but if you're using one like this, you should mark where your holes are so that it is consistent. So you're going to go through to your hole, and then you're going to pick if you want to go counterclockwise or clockwise, whichever you prefer. And then you're going to go counting your first thread, not the hole. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to put the third one on the empty hole. 1, 2, 3 on the empty hole. 2, 3 on the empty fold. So on and so forth until your bracelet is complete. So, as you can see, I am done. But one thing you may notice is that when you pull it, it gets longer. You're going to want to pull it because it'll get to the length you want, and it uses less thread, and I like how it looks better. You don't have to, personal preference. And you're going to tug it off that. And remember how we tied this knot? We're going to do it the exact same way. You're just going to fold it into like a 4, pull the end of your thread with lots of loose bits, and tug on it and pull it up as far up as you can, and then repeat. So that you then have a friendship bracelet. In a horizontal position, do it like this or like this, as you see in front of you or before. You can pause the video to relook. If you want it to be like a plain thing, just do all the same color. This is how it will look like. Or if you want it to be vertical stripes, do it like in the next picture, this. Super simple, super easy. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. If you want it to look like this with a bunch of different little colors, then just do one strand of each color, or 7 ones. It looks really cool as a rainbow. If you want it to look something like this with one color pop through the rest, do all of them the same except for one strand. And there's a way that looks pretty cool, I think. If you want it like this one, it's the same as before, but with 2 of the same color and all the rest, and 5 of the other color. You don't have to use the colors I used. You can use any color that you like. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!